Hello,
Mm,
can you hear me?
yeah.
Alright, so did you eat already the kwang?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what did you eat?
Huh?
Can you tell me what did you eat?
And it's potato, carrot,
Oh, so
mm,
healthy. What else?
meat,
Uh-huh.
meat,
And and
and
you
dog.
forgot. Oh, you eat a lot of vegetables, so that's good of you. Oh, let's dance. Ta-da-da-da. Okay, do you want to do TikTok?
No.
All right, so now are you ready to start with our class?
Yes.
Okay, so teacher will be sharing the screen, okay? All right,
Okay.
so just give me a few
Mm,
seconds and teacher is sharing the screen.
okay.
All right, so now how about that? Can you see our screen?
Mac
Okay, can you see it?
this
Okay,
Mac
tonight
and
we are going to have
now a hunger.
lesson 3
We
story. Oh,
wash
you're going to read it
down
now?
soup and salad.
Uh-huh. Okay, so Doi Kong. First, let's talk about the story, the lesson, and read. So, teacher will be playing the audio, so I want you to listen to it very carefully, okay?
Track 14.
Okay,
B.
track
Make
14.
sentences.
The money was found by Mark. The money was found.
Track 14. B. Make sentences.
The money was found by Mark. The money was found.
All right, so now that is not related to this one. So, first, let's read the story about this. Okay, so can you please read this one, baby?
Jack three
Mike?
eat.
This one,
Mike
baby.
and Leo are hungry. What's
Okay.
for lunch? Soup and salad. That's good food.
That
That
sounds
sounds
good.
sound food.
Okay, how about this?
Salad. I want French fry. Uh-huh.
Just try it.
That
Just try
fry
it,
is
Leo. Okay, so
dear.
how about you, Dui Kwang? Do you eat vegetable salad? Of course, you eat because you just said that you eat potato and carrots tonight. But how about vegetable salad?
I'm don't see a screen.
What?
I'm don't see a screen.
Oh, you do not see the screen? Okay, wait. Let
Mm,
me let me check it.
I'm see.
How
I'm
about
see.
this one? Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's
Salad.
continue. All
I
right.
want French fry.
Uh-huh.
No. Chili.
All right, so how about you?
Vegetable
How
are
about
very good
you?
for you.
Okay, next. Vegetables are very
Vegetable
good for you.
very good for you.
Uh-huh.
Very jam. This take
This tastes
mm,
this tastes good.
this Very good.
Okay, next.
Yeah, I like vegetable.
Hmm. So now, how about you, Dick Wang? Do you like to eat vegetables?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what are the vegetables that you like to eat?
Okay.
Okay, can you tell me what vegetables you like to eat?
Your carrot,
Hmm?
potato,
Okay. Carrot, potato, what else?
vegetable, and salad.
Oh, salad. So what kind of salad? What kind of salad, Dick Wang? So can you
Is
tell me
carrot,
what's all right?
potato.
Carrot, potato.
Hmm.
How about
This.
how potato, carrot? How about squash? Oh, the pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit. So how about this one? Oh, I cannot have that one in here. I don't have the. How about the what else? I cannot share it in here. So let's have a look vegetables. I don't know much of vegetables. Oh, what's that? Okay, so these are okay. We have some of types of vegetables.
It's
So we
100
how about
vegetable.
mushroom? Do you like to eat mushroom?
Mushroom. What
Yes.
is this?
This one here. Can you see it?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. How about lettuce?
No.
Now, how about cabbage?
No.
How about cucumber? Ano ba?
Yes.
Oh, yes. How about onion? Or
Yes.
how about the eggplant?
No.
No. Okay, so now thank you so much, Dick Wong, for sharing me all of the vegetables that you like to eat. Okay, so now let's have a look with the exercise B. Read and circle, okay? So now what you're going to do is you need to circle the correct answer, okay? So first, can you read number one?
Moon,
Okay,
Mike,
please. Okay,
and
Mike.
Leo is Mike
Mike
and Mike and Leo is hungry.
are hungry.
Oh, hungry.
Look, this word is R, it's not S. Okay, how about number two?
Number two. Mike like soup and salad.
How about is that yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, can you circle the yes? How about number three?
Number three.
Yes, this one maybe.
Mike and Leo mom make French fry.
Mike and Leo's
No.
mom make French fries. Is it yes or no? You know. How about number four?
Leo want vegetable. The.
Okay, is that yes or no?
What?
Yes or no?
I
Leo
mean.
wants vegetable.
Yes.
Okay, so now, Kong, before we check that one, I would like to ask, do you like to eat French fries?
No.
Oh, you don't like to eat French fries. So why? How about pizza?
Yes.
Oh, you like to eat pizza. How about popcorn?
Man.
Do you like to eat
Okay.
popcorn?
Popcorn. Popcorn.
Yes, like
No.
this one. Oh, I cannot show it in here, but popcorn looks like this. Oh, it's gone. Okay, so now, Kong, let's continue with exercise number C. So we have here sing. So now, if you know how to sing this song, you can sing with me or let's chat together. Okay, so teacher will be will be playing the audio already. Okay.
Okay.
Page
Okay.
9. C. Sing. That sounds good.
What's for breakfast?
Yogurt and an apple.
That sounds
Sounds
good. But I want French fries, French fries, French fries.
Yogurt and an apple.
French fries, French fries.
Yogurt and an apple.
Just try it. Mmm, it's good. What's for lunch?
Soup and salad.
That sounds good. But I want French fries, French fries, French fries.
Soup and salad.
French fries, French fries.
Soup and salad.
Just try it.
Just try it.
It's good.
It's good.
What's for dinner?
Chicken and potatoes.
That sounds good. But I want French fries, French fries, French fries.
Chicken and potatoes.
French fries, French fries.
Chicken and potatoes.
Just try it.
Just try it.
It's good.
Okay, so now how about you, Daekwon? It's yum yum yum. So how about you, Daekwon? Do you eat yogurt and apple?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, how about soup and salad?
Soup and salad.
Yes,
Yes.
soup and salad. Okay, how about chicken and potatoes?
Chicken and potato. Yes.
Okay, so now, Daekwon, can you tell me what is your favorite food?
The favorite food
Favorite food, yes.
is
Oh, it?
Apple.
Apple, what else?
Orange.
Okay, what else?
Pie.
How about for dinner?
Is potato. Watermelon.
Oh, how about for lunch?
Lunch
Yeah.
is none.
What?
It's
Go,
orange.
Daekwon. Oh, I see. Okay, so thank you so much, Daekwon, for sharing with that foods that you like to eat. Okay, so now, okay, so for now, let's have exercise D. Listen and say, then act. Okay, so first of all, let's try to listen the audio.
Page 9. D. Listen and say. Then act. 1.
What's for lunch?
Soup and salad.
That sounds good.
2,
What's for breakfast?
Bread and juice.
That sounds good.
3,
What's for dinner?
Steak and French fries.
That sounds good.
Okay, so now let's say and act. Okay, so I want you to read this one here, and I will be the mom, okay? So, can you please read this one?
What's for lunch?
Soup and salad.
That's so good.
Okay, so we got lunch, soup, and salad. So, how about on breakfast? What do we have?
We
Oh,
have bread and juice.
Okay, how about juice? Okay, can you say juice?
Juice.
Okay, how about for dinner? What do we have for dinner?
Bread and French fries.
All right, steak and French fries. Okay, so now, Daikon, if you are going to choose one kind of meal, which one are you going to choose? The lunch, breakfast, or dinner? Just choose one.
Okay.
Oh, why like this? Oh, I thought you're going to choose.
What?
Okay, so if you're going to choose one meal in between breakfast, lunch, and dinner, okay, so which one are you going to choose? The bread and juice, soup and salad, steak, 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 and French fries.
I'm done.
What?
I'm done.
Oh, the lunch, the soup and salad, is that correct?
Yes.
So why do you want to choose the lunch kind of food, the soup and salad? Can you tell me why do you want to choose soup and salad?
Soup.
Okay,
That's so good.
all right, they are good and also they are healthy for our body. Okay, so now let's continue to the next slide or to the next page.
This is
Uh-oh. Okay, so now, Daekwang, we have here lesson 4, cooking. Okay, so first, let's go and watch the video. Okay, teacher will be playing a video and I want you to watch and listen to it very carefully, okay?
Welcome to Borough Market. Look at the food. What do you want? This girl is cooking an omelet. What does she need? She needs eggs and cheese. What's he doing? He's making salad. What does he need? He needs onions, peppers, and carrots. He doesn't need any eggs or cheese. What's she doing? She's making a smoothie. What does she need? She needs bananas and yogurt.
Unicorn.
Cooking is a lot of fun. What do you want to make? Do you want to make a fruit salad? What do you need? You need apples, you need bananas, and you need oranges. Yum! That looks good!
Alright. So now how about you, Dui Kwang? What do you like to make?
Like to make
Omelette, smoothie, fruit salad, milkshake. What was that? Salad, the fruit salad.
KFC.
What was that, baby? Okay, why do you like to make why do you like to make and what was that? What did you say?
KFC.
KFC. Oh, it's a brand name. It's like McDo, KFC, Jollibee. Is that correct? Oh, you didn't have
Yeah.
Jollibee in your country. Is it like this? This one?
This.
Oh, so do you
Yes.
like to eat like this? We don't have KFC here, but in some other places we have, but it's too far. Okay, why do you like to eat this kind of food? Okay, can you
Hi.
what? Why do you like to eat KFC?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me why? Why do you like to eat KFC?
It's very yummy.
Okay, so
It's very
now,
yummy.
oh, it's yummy. Okay, so now can you tell me what kind of food that you can make at home that you like to eat? The food that can make at home.
And that is a juice.
What's that? Juice?
And that is a chief.
Oh, I see. Okay, so now let's proceed with the exercise B. Lesson, point, and say. Okay, so teacher will be playing another audio, and I want you to listen to the audio very carefully, okay?
Page 10. Lesson 4. Cooking. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Omelette.
2,
Smoothie.
3,
Fruit salad.
4,
Milkshake.
Okay, so now
page
let's read the first one, omelette. Okay, number 1, omelette. Hello, can you hear me?
Omelette.
Okay, number 1 is?
Omelette.
Okay, do you like to eat
Okay.
omelette?
Break. Oh, this is a break.
Okay, do you like to eat omelette, baby?
Yes.
Okay, how about number 2? What is this?
It's something.
Smoothie. Smoothie.
Smoothie.
Alright, so how about number 3?
Number 3.
Number 3
Fruit
is?
salad.
Alright, a fruit salad. How about number 4? Okay, how about number 4? Number 4 is? Okay, what's on the number 4, baby?
Number 4 is milkshake.
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 All right, number 4 is milkshake. Okay, so now Day Kwang, in our next lesson, we are going to discuss exercise C, okay? So for tonight, I hope you enjoy, you learn, and you have fun during our discussion. So, okay, I hope for tonight you learn, you enjoy, and you have fun during our discussion. So, thank you so much for tonight, Day Kwang, and goodbye. See you again next time. Hello, can you hear me?
Goodbye.
All right, goodbye, Day Kwang.